Imagine having a personal assistant who never gets tired, never complains, and can instantly help you script your YouTube videos, brainstorm content idea, design your thumbnail, and even give you strategies to help you grow and run your YouTube channel. It doesn't sound possible, right? Well, that's exactly how I use ChatGPT to run and grow my YouTube channel. It's like having a full-time YouTube coach and strategist working with you for free. In this video, I'm going to share with you the exact prompt I personally use to plan my content, script the video, write better title, design my thumbnail, write the hook, the intro, audience retention, and even monetization. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video so that you don't miss any of these prompts I am about to share. Before we dive in, hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Dorothy. On this channel, I share tips, tools that can help you grow your YouTube channel. If this sounds like something you are interested in, hit the subscribe button so we can grow together. Turn on your bell notifications so that you will always get notified on my future upload. The first way I use ChatGPT to grow my YouTube channel is to plan my content. Content planning is the foundation of content creation, and this is the first stage most creators, especially beginners, completely ignore. They don't plan their content, they only think about their very next video, not their next 10, 20, 30, 50 video they will publish later in future. This is why they always end up with random upload and slow growth. If you are like that, stop it. With just one prompt that I will be sharing with you in this video, ChatGPT can create a month, 2 months, 3 months, or even a year content plan for you in just few minutes. This way, you can increase the likelihood of viewer coming back to your channel to watch more related videos and even becoming a subscriber. So here is the template of the exact prompt I use. I will be reading the prompt from my laptop, but I will display the write-up on the screen so you can follow up as I read. So here is the prompt. Act as an expert YouTube consultant. I need a content strategy or plan for a month. My channel focuses on insert your niche, what your niche is about. I post X video per week, X short per week, and I also do X live stream per week. Now this X should be replaced with the numbers of times that you post videos on your channel. My goals are insert your goals. My audience are insert your targeted audience. Okay, then you now prompt ChatGPT, give me a 1 month content plan broken into content pillars, video types, and suggested titles, including strategy for growth, engagement, and retention. ChatGPT is going to create you a 1 month content plan. This way you don't have to worry about your next content. You've got a whole 1 month content plan at your tip. All you have to do is to copy it and paste it on your notepad, on your laptop, or even copy it out on a sheet of paper and keep it somewhere you can easily reach it and work with it whenever you are ready. If you don't do shorts, if you don't do live stream, you can just remove it. You can customize this prompt to fit your workflow. Moving on to the next one is your video title. Your video title is your first handshake with a viewer. If your title is weak, they will never click. In fact, they will scroll past your video. So here is the exact prompt that I use to write my title. Act as a YouTube title expert and professional copywriter. Write 10 clickable title under 60 characters for my video. Insert the video title. My audience is, go ahead to insert your targeted audience. Make title appealing, curiosity driven, and keyword rich. Avoid punctuation like colons and dashes unless it's necessary. Keep it simple but powerful. Once you send this prompt, you will see magic. ChatGPT is going to give you so many options to work with. All you have to do is to select the one that even catches your own interest. So once you've gotten your title, the next prompt we're going to be working on is to design the thumbnail. Now let's talk about thumbnail. The number one thing that decides whether people click on your video or scroll past your video is your thumbnail. Thumbnail are like billboard. It should clearly state what your video is about at a glance. It should spark curiosity so that a viewer scrolling through YouTube homepage will want to click and watch the video. So here is the exact prompt that I used to create my thumbnail. Act as a YouTube thumbnail expert. Create a high-resolution YouTube thumbnail. My video is about, go ahead to insert your video title. Make it eye-catching and clickable. The main subject should include a lady smiling. Use high contrast color like red, blue, brand color, gradient color for the background. Whichever color that you want to work with, go ahead and insert the color. Background should be blurred so that the main elements pop. Add 2 to 3 word phrase. Make sure each text is readable on all devices. Keep it clean and simple. Then go ahead to prompt it to generate a mock-up thumbnail for you. Once ChatGPT generates a design for you, you're going to use that design as a guide or a template to create your own design. You can tweak it to however you want it, add your own touch to it, okay? Moving on to number 4 is the hook. The first 10 seconds of your video is the most important part of the video. If you lose a viewer here, Otilo, it doesn't matter how good the rest of the video is. Your hook should be able to grab viewers' attention and spark curiosity that a viewer will want to stay and watch your video to the end. So here is the exact prompt I use in writing my hook. Act as an expert YouTube content writer. My video title is insert your video title. My tone is casual, funny, professional, emotional, playful, whatever tone you want to use in writing your hook. Go ahead to write it out. Write a hook that builds curiosity and grab attention. Make sure that it matches with the thumbnail and the title. Okay, you are going to send this to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will literally write you a hook that will catch viewers' attention and they will want to stay, watch your video to the very end. Moving on to number 5 is the scripting of the video. I think the hardest part of being a YouTuber or even a content creator is not knowing what to say, especially when you hit that record button on your camera. You will just end up staring at your camera blank. Weird, right? Well, it happened to many of us. In fact, even the big creators, it happens to them as well. With ChatGPT, you can script your video topic in details. And here is the exact prompt that I use. Act as an expert YouTube content writer, retention strategist, and storytelling coach. Write a full YouTube video. The topic is, go ahead to insert your video topic or your video title. The goal of the video is to insert your video goals. Okay, if you want your video to be educational, informative, whatever is the goal you want to achieve with the video, go ahead to insert that. And my targeted audience are, so insert your target audience, their age and their interest. My tone is, go ahead to insert your tone. You know, this tone thing is very, very important for your videos. Either you want it friendly, professional, funny, motivational, educational. You will indicate that. I want the length of the video to be, insert the length of the video. Now ChatGPT can help you script your video to the time that you want your video to start or to the end. If you want your video to be 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes, and even 20 minutes long, ChatGPT is going to do that for you. My hook is, insert your video hook. You know, you've already done hook before, and your intro, go ahead to insert that. Now for the main content, you're going to prompt ChatGPT to either use a clear step-by-step process or key points for the main content. Include example, pattern interrupt, mini stories that will get viewers engaged, encourage viewers to subscribe, like, comment, and also leave an open loop for your next video. Use natural spoken English. Include retention tactics like rhetorical question. Write the script in a way that is easy for me to read on camera and audience should be able to understand. This way, ChatGPT is going to write you a full script for the video, and in this case you can decide to edit it to fit your own style or your own workflow, or you can just go ahead to work with what ChatGPT is going to give you. Moving on to number 6 is boosting engagement naturally. Asking viewers to comment on your video in the comment section is not enough. You need a prompt that will want to make a viewer reply to the comment. So here is the prompt I use. Act as a YouTube engagement expert. My video is about insert your video topic. My audience is insert your audience. Give me 5 natural questions I can ask my viewer during or after the video to trigger comments, opinions, or even experiences. Include some for like, some for comment, and some for subscriber. ChatGPT is going to list out questions that you can ask your viewers, and your viewers will want to respond with their own question or their own opinion or their own experiences. This way your viewer gets engaged and your comment section will be engaged, and you know that is really good for the algorithm. The last but not the least is the monetization. If your channel is monetized, that is, if you have reached the threshold for monetization, one thing that ChatGPT can do is to come up with a great and unique monetization idea for your channel. You know, aside YouTube paying you from ad revenue, there are other ways you can earn from YouTube, from your super chat, super thanks, membership, selling merchandise, brand sponsorship, partnerships, and so many more. Although this YouTube channel is not yet monetized, but here is the prompt that you can use if your own channel is monetized. Act as a YouTube monetization expert. My channel is about insert your niche. I get around X views per video. That is, if you get really good views, or if you are getting really good views on your channel, go ahead to insert the numbers of views that you usually get on your videos. My audience are, insert your audience, their age, location, if you know about their location, and you can actually find about their location in your YouTube analytic. Help me come up with proven new and realistic way to monetize. Ask me questions to learn about my niche, audience, and the type of content I create. Then based on my answers, suggest specific monetization ideas for my channel, membership, and pet that my viewers might be interested in. Suggest affiliate products and services that will be good for my audience, personal or digital products I could sell, sponsorship opportunities, and possible brand partnership you can recommend. After giving suggestion, provide actionable steps for getting started with each monetization idea you recommend. With this prompt, ChatGPT will start recommending possible monetization ideas for your niche. In case you might not know how to go about the monetization, you can further prompt ChatGPT to teach you how to go about it. With this prompt I just shared with you, you can plan your content and grow quicker. But this is just the start. The real secret to growing here on YouTube is right here. So if you are serious about growing here on YouTube, click on this video. Make sure you watch it to the very end, and I bet you will not regret it. If this video is really helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. If you have forgotten to subscribe to this channel, I'm reminding you again, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on my next upload. For now, bye. I would love to see you in my next video.